What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and daily update on Ethereum. I had to do it obviously. We had a big breakout and we're pretty close to getting another breakout as well, even though it seems that we're respecting the resistance. I'm talking about that 1820 level. So yeah, pretty interesting what Ethereum is doing right now. It's pretty interesting altogether what the market is doing right now. So I just wanted to give you my full thoughts on that, what to expect on both the technical and the fundamental side of things. So that's what we're going to do. Before we do that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as a short order on Bitcoin yesterday evening, which made us some profits, then check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, so now if we talk about Ethereum practically moved alongside with Bitcoin. It was a little bit less bullish, to be honest, but that has been the case since the last couple of months, to be honest, because I still remember that Ethereum was actually the stronger one back in August, back in September last year, but you can already see that right now we're not even near our merge highs yet, or merge and August bull run highs at around 2000. We haven't reached that. We're now still struggling with 1820. Then we still have resistance at 1900 and 1940. So we're not as bullish as Bitcoin, but we certainly are very bullish. So in that Bitcoin video, I also talked about why this is. And to be honest, I think it's a mix of things. I think it's a bit of positivity because of economic circumstances. There are some reports that there's new quantitative easing. There are other articles that kind of go against that and that it's not the same. But in general, people are also expecting that the interest rates which come next week will be a little bit less hawkish, so more bullish for crypto and less bullish for the dollar strength index. But apart from that, the dollar strength index was bearish already as well, so that means that crypto usually is bullish. So a lot of different factors kind of working together. I mean, in the end, moves like these are just people with a lot of money buying, and there not being a lot of sell pressure, right? So behind the causes of that, we can talk about the causes behind that, but yeah, in the end, it just boils down to that. So now the big question is, technically, to get into the technicals, is can we actually get to that 1900, 1940 level? And I think the answer is yes, but it does depend on a lot of things. For example, if the interest rate just stays 4.75, for example, then we will definitely get there, and we will probably rally all the way up to 2000. All right, so it depends on the circumstances. For now, technically, I think we're dropping down towards this level around 1760. Perhaps we'll even spike down to 1730. So we'll drop down to this level. I'd say that if we can actually hold that for the next 24 hours, tomorrow evening I expect some bullish momentum again ahead of next week. So if we're still above like 1760, 1740, then I actually do think that within the next couple of days we can still break above 1820 and rally up to at least 1900. So I guess it depends on the fundamentals, of course, but it also depends on the technicals. In this case, that 1760, 1730 level. Because if we cannot hold that, if we, for example, and I'm saying for example a lot, excuse me, it must be annoying. But if we drop down below 1720, so we drop down to 1700, that's just too far. Then there's too much resistance, and then sure, we can get back up to 1820, but rallying to 1900 then is only possible if the outcome of the interest rate is really bullish as well. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, that's my take on Ethereum. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.